How to create a Zengo account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can create yourself a Zengo account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar type in Zengo and tap on Install. Once you do so, tap on Open. Tap on Continue at the bottom of the page. And to get started, simply enter your email address. Once done, tap on Continue. But if you have a referral code, you can go ahead and tap here. Now, in order to verify your email, check on your email address. You will see an email like this. Now tap to confirm. Tap on to continue and tap on Enable Device Lock. Now here for authentication, you can either use your face or your fingerprint. Now this is your home screen, and if you would like to change anything, just tap on settings. Just like so, this is how you can get started. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.